We are pleased to show you 2010 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, wheel covers, FWD, rear parking aid, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.